Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be teaching you a brand new choreography on the song Lamberghini. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. Alright guys, for this tutorial we're going to start with our first step, feet apart as always, like most of our routines do it. So your first step is going to be your right hand and right leg. You're going to punch low, twist your right knee, come back up with the elbow, right? Same thing with the left side, go in, come back up, right? So now basically you're going to do it together. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then from here you're going to go back 5, come back up 6, and then from 6 you're going to go out 7, 8, right? So let's do that one more time. Nice and easy. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now remember from here, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna teach you a few more steps and then we'll come back to it. So from here, you're gonna switch your footwork, you're gonna jump like this, right? So you actually, like your right leg comes forward and you're gonna use that right leg jump and move your left leg around. And with the arms, you're gonna basically go, you're gonna position yourself out, you're gonna go hit, out, and hit, right? So it's 2 times. So we're gonna go 1 and 2. It's very important that you remember that you finish at the end, right? So let's do that one more time on count, and I'll count with the music too. So we're gonna go one more time from the start in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, very good. Good job, good job. Okay, so on the music, it goes like this, right? So I'm gonna hum the same steps routine with the music, and we're gonna do it one more time just so you know. The song is not starting from the beginning, right? The steps don't start from the beginning of the song. This is halfway into the song that we start this choreography. So make sure you pay attention to it. 5, 6, 7, go. Na 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 na. There you go. Good. I'm going to teach you more steps after that. So basically, we finish tap tap, right? And then you finish in. From here, take your right leg back and both arms up like this. Take your left leg back, right leg up, shift your body weight, right? So you're basically, we're doing it here in place. All you're doing is shifting your body weight from left to right, right to left, left to right. And then you can see as your legs are moving, your arms kind of go with it. And so the total count of that is you have 4 shifts, right? So when you're actually here, tap tap, you're gonna go 1, 2, and the last one is 3, 4 in place, right? 3, 4, and then from here, because we shifted, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so more on that. I'm gonna repeat that step. So basically, once you got the shifting, right? So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right leg forward, arms out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the cool thing about this step, you can do whatever you want with it, right? I like to do both arms out, and you can even jump in the middle when we're doing it sideways. So I can go 1 and jump, 2 and jump. The important part is to get in this stance at the end of that step. So you can go 1 arm if you want. You can go 2 arms if you want. That's up to you. So let's do the whole choreo until that point, right? We'll try to throw some music in there. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, go. Na 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 na. Nice. Good job. Good job. From here, since we're gonna get into the next phase of the steps, from here you're gonna go with your arm, right arm on the side. You're gonna spin and up. With your on your toe, spin it back, go low, spin it back, go high, spin it back, go low. So it's 4 times. It's gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you can see this is the basic, preliminary version of whacking. So to all my guys out there, if you guys don't know what whacking is and you want to learn it, this is like the basic version of whacking, okay? A very entry level, right? So that way you guys can show up. Okay, so remember, it goes start flat, spin and up, spin and low, spin and up, spin, and low. Okay? So because of the momentum you get from here, and you're like this, immediately you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's really that fast. It's not slow. So one thing also to remember from here, I don't go like this. I actually go directly make a circle 1 and 2. I directly go because there's no time. 1, 2, right? So there's no time. So make sure you remember that. Okay? So let's do it from the start all the way to here, and then we'll call it a few more steps and we'll finish part 1. Okay? So we'll do it from the start on music. 5, 6, 7, go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Nice, good job. So you actually finish low. Don't forget that. You actually finish low. And then from here, we're going to transition into this position. You want to bend a little bit, and then you come up to the top, right? So you're actually like dragging and pulling on the side, right? So that's the first part. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we go to the side and then come up like this, right? So that whole thing happens simultaneously, right? So you're actually like this. You're not waiting here and then do this. Don't do that, right?
And this is the part where you guys can actually freestyle too.
Yeah, that's a good point.
When we are teaching the steps, in our actual video, it's going to be something different that we have tried.
Yep.
You guys can try your version if you like it.
Yeah, so we're trying to do like 2 people interacting and doing it together. But if you're doing like a solo dance, you can throw these moves. You can throw your filler moves to make sure it looks good. Okay. So basically, if you finish this and you kind of go low here, and from here you're gonna go 1 and 2, and then after that you're gonna go 3, right? Step back 3, and then move your arms 4, 5, 6. Okay. So my right arm is on top, left arm is on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Just drawing a square. And after the square, you're gonna take your right leg out, arms open, and then with that force, just do a small circle. Okay? After circle, yeah, you're right. After circle, there's like a jump where you're like your feet go back like this, right? So let's do that one more time from here. We just went 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. Yeah, 7, 8. And then go like this, and then turn. Yep. She's right. Kinjo always gets the flow better than me. Yeah, I know that. So the thing to remember is when you're doing tak, 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 you actually bring your leg 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you actually squeeze that leg in, and then go out, and then turn. Okay? After you turn, like she did, you make sure you do a jump, and then we'll transition to the next step, which is fairly simple. But I'll cover that in part 2, right? So let's do the first all the way from the start with music, and then we'll come back to the part 2. Okay, so here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. There you go. All right. So that was part 1, and we're gonna start part 2. And make sure you get through part 1 before you join part 2, right? So let's get right into part 2. All right, guys. Let's do part 2 of this song, right? So for part 2, initially we were like this, and we did that spin, and that's where we stopped, right? So we're gonna continue from there. So as soon as you spin, you're gonna come low, and you want to start like this. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to remember this is going to be a little fast, so we're actually going to go with the right speed. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's actually going to go like that. From here, you're going to go like this. Take that leg out and bring it in. 1, 2, tuck yourself in. Go 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. So your side, showing your side profile, 7, 8, right? So let's do that one more time. In 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. From here, I'm gonna add a few more moves and then we'll do it on music. From here, you're gonna step out and you're gonna go into this punch motion where you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And you're gonna put that leg down. We're gonna add one more move from here. Put that leg down. You're actually gonna go step and move, step and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was a lot of moves, but like I said, you gotta do the whole thing with the flow. And let's see it on music, right? Let's see it on music how that works. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. So yeah. Da da da. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. All right, good job, good job. We got to the last part of the video where we just teach you some chorus steps and then we're done. We're gonna do the whole thing with music from the start, right? So let's get into the chorus. And so we basically finished here at the snap, right? So you were kind of right here. From here, basically you wanna go, put your arm out front. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's important to jump on that 4. And then you're gonna bring your arms to the front, right leg out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice how we go hands low and then go 4 steps with the hands go all the way up, right? So let's do that one more time. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's important on the first one, you start like this and you spin once, spin back, jump, go 4 times like this. On the second one, you won't have time to do that. So on the second one, you have to directly go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After you do that, immediately go low, right, for the next step, and then we'll come back to it. So you're like this, immediately go low, and you're gonna go 1, 2, and push, right? Again, 1, 2, and push. Remember that you don't have to go all the way out. Just take a small step, 1, 2, push. 1, 2, push, because it's gonna be fast. So you don't spend too much energy and try to going all the way out. It doesn't make any sense. So let's combine that with this guy, and I'm gonna teach you a few more steps and we're almost there wrapping up the course. So let's get right into it, and 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, beautiful. From here, just watch my steps. From here, you're gonna go side, tap, right? So that's 1, and then you're gonna go other side, 2, and 3, and 4, right? Very simple. We're gonna start left again, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, okay? After this, we're gonna add a couple more steps and we're almost done, right? So we're gonna, after this, we'll refresh it back from here, right? So let's do that one more time from here. This time I'll add the music. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lamberghini, one more time. Lamberghini, na 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 na. Tap. Tap. We're gonna teach that one, but that's the end of the song, right? That's the end of the song. So the last step, all we did was we finished here, right? So you were like tap, tap. You're gonna raise your back leg, up, spin, drop, hit. Again, up, spin, drop, hit. So make sure you push off that back leg, drop, push it off, drop. That's it, right? So 3 steps on the circle. Very simple. Let's start one more time. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. So if you notice, Kinjal does waves. So whenever she goes up, she does the wave, drop, hit. She does the wave, drop, hit. So you could add that. If you don't want to have the wave, keep it simple. If you want to go like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's pretty much it, my friends. That's the end of the song, right? So let's do this one last time, chorus, and then we'll refresh the whole song, and we're done, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Na 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 na. Do do do. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Gotta follow through. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Lamborghini, one more time. Lamborghini, tap, tap. There you go. All right, that was good. That was good. So remember, we are out of breath because that was a fast song. It's hard singing and teaching at the same time. So if you do want, you can, after you finish this, you can go back to this if you do want to add more chorus to the same song, right? So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching that video, guys. We hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Don't forget to do dance covers and post them on Andaaz and make sure you tag us. The Instagram ID is right here. Also, if you want more requests on more tutorials and more videos, do put them in the comment section below. We'll be happy to do it. Until then, next time.